guys, today we are going to unbox these MIVI headphones Thunderbeats, and they are wireless headphones powered by Bluetooth 5.0, as you can see here. And they are very impressive in this range. I bought them for 1199 in Amazon, and you can buy these for 999 in this Diwali offer. As you can see, they are very impressive. You can see the features over here, and their price is 2499 MRP, and they get for 999 in this Diwali offer. So let's open this. Here we get some paperwork, and here are the headphones. Let's keep them aside and see the manuals. There's just some paperwork, that's it. And we get some ear tips in here. We get a charger. I think it's nice in this range. Okay. And we get some ear tips, as you can see. Here are some fins, charger, and let's take a look at these headphones. I think they are very much impressive. Let's check it out. See here, guys. See at the headphones, and we get the volume up and down button. They act as skip buttons, and here is the port to charge. And let's check by connecting with the mobile, and let's turn them on. Yeah, here it shows the light, and let's pair them with the mobile. Yeah, the name in the mobile is MIVI Thunderbeats. Let's connect them. Yeah, and now they are paired. Let's connect them. Actually, they are connected already. Let's play some music. You can see they are very much loud. Yeah, they are very nice. You can see I bought them near the mic, so they are very good. You can see these are the things we get in the box, and this is very good headphone in this range. It's very nice, and I love these headphones. And you can go for these headphones without thinking. They are very much good. Build quality is also very nice. You can see it's the flat cable. See, this is flat cable. It is nice. You can go for this. Okay, thank you guys. You can see, guys, actually I didn't see that before. Here are the magnets to attach them. That will be convenient to lock them and use them. So that's about these headphones, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.